Hey everyone, it's Regina and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I wanted to vlog and share more on what I'm working on. Apart from college, university, and even my hobbies videos, I'm currently working on my own education businesses, SG Tutoring as well as Study House Academy. Personally, marketing is one of my favorite business functions and I love doing marketing stuff. So for this vlog, I'm gonna be working on some digital marketing tasks, specifically running Facebook ads. I'll be sharing the process and the tools that I use as well as what I've learned over the past couple of years in terms of digital marketing. It will be super casual and vlog style. If you're interested, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'll be working on is to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically a free resource for your potential clients or your customers that they might find valuable. So yeah, so for me, I'm gonna reach out to parents with P5 and P6 children, and that is why we are using this notes and resource, because it would potentially be something that they want to help their child with. Next, we'll move on to Facebook ads. So we have to come up with the content plus the creative that we want to share. So one of the tools that I highly recommend is actually Facebook ads library. So basically, Facebook ad library allows you to see all the ads that's being posted out by all the accounts, by businesses, by just basically everyone here. So basically, you can just click on all ads and then you can search by the company name. So let's say if we want to search for Nike, we can see the ads that they are posting out currently. So these are all the ads that they launched in May and also in April and so on and so forth. So as you can see, they have quite a bit of ads and you can see how they do it. So for me, I use this kind of as an inspiration or to check out the competitor. And once we are done with the lead magnet, we need to create the creatives for the Facebook ads itself. So this is what we did. This is how we plan the Facebook ads. We'll do it on Google Docs. So basically, we'll have the primary text and then the headline and the description and then the call to action. So this is for our own references. So some of the things that we need to do is the Facebook ads creative, which we have completed it, and then the lead magnet, which we are also done with it. And then the last thing that we need to do is a landing page where we can allow these users to get this resource and then we can send it to their email. So in terms of creating the landing pages, I personally use leadpages. I find it really easy to use. There's also a lot of other landing page software companies out there and enterprises. So you can go do your own research and see which one fits your needs more. They actually have a lot of templates that you can choose from, which makes it really easy, and I can just create a landing page within like 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna use this template because it looks very simple and I guess it's easy to create. And there you go, that's the website and landing page. So if you're looking out for a landing page software, I actually link it down in the description box below for you to check out. If you're running a small business or running a small project and you do not have any programming or coding knowledge like HTML or CSS, then I think this is one software that you can actually potentially look at. That's a wrap for the video. If there's something that you want to share with me, do feel free to comment down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it insightful. If you did, please do consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!